Hello, my friend. It has been a long time since I talked with you. I just want to say hi and show you a project that I create for Dress My Craft. It is an album and I am in love with it because it's with the new Chickoo and Friends collection. It is a gorgeous collection. When I received the DT package, I think it was early December, if I am good. Anyway, I was in shock when I received it because it's so cute. It makes me smile, and I know that I want to create something more fun with this collection. And for that reason, I make an album with a lot of pop-up pages that I hope that you enjoy and that it inspire you. I'm going to show you the complete album during this video, but now let me give you a sneak look the album with the chicos. Look how adorable is this creature. And the window is a die from Dress My Craft. I'm going to let you, my friends, all the products in the description box. So, or you can go direct to Dress My Craft blog. They have all the photos there too. And I'm going to let you all the photos too in my Instagram, in my social media, and in my blog. Okay? If you like this, stay with me, and I hope that you enjoy this video. Leave me a comment down below, and I see you soon with a new video tutorial. Nos vemos. It is my interactive mini album. As you see, it is 7 inches by 6. The first thing that you notice is this window that I made a checker using the die. Then on the back you will see a lot of stitches. I use my sewing machine, and the spine that I cover with lace. And I made a lot of fussy cutting here. You will see I made handmade flowers and another art from the paper and from the motif sheets. Once you open, this is the first impression, and I adore these critters here. That's why I selected for my first page. And here is another shaker, and the sentiment is inside. And here is a pocket that you can place your tickets, more photos. And here is this lab. When you open it, you will not see my first interactive page of pop-up pages, when you can place more photos here that the photos automatically will pop up once you open the page. And here is a magnet. Then the next page is another interactive one, and once you will notice this, you will see this, and you can place the photo here. I already punched the border here with the border corner punch. Of course, you need a photo that fits. And then here I add 2 more cards to place photo. This is the ships in the corner, and here are more photos too with the critter. Then the next one, the paper is amazing. You can place here photo, and in the other one that you see the bear and the fox, I made here a frame. Then the next one, I put a bow because it has a little of dimension. And the next one, I use the stitch tags, and you see I cut 3 to put photos and make the pocket with lace. And look the critters, how pretty. Here is a lot of dies to create this scene, and then I use this insert card when I'm going to place the photo. And the critters are from the motif, the grass die. And the next one is the same design, but I use different elements like the chevron pattern paper. As you see, I made the banner and select other critters. Here I made a cascade, and it has a magnet, and you can place different photos here, and a lace on the top. Then here is the storybook page, as I call, because you will see that all the critters pop up in this page. Look how cute, adorable. And I place different critters here, and you can place the photo on the bottom here and put the banner inside. I cut some critters. And here is a mini book that I place here to add more photos. And once you close, I'm going to make a bow. It's to avoid 2 dimensions, and it's easier to close the album in this way. The next one, I made more cards. I put frames here to place photo, and I made these pockets with the same product package. Use the plastic and add the sequence. In this page here, I use the star stitching die to make the scene, and then it is then the last pop-up pages or interactive. I just love this mechanism, and I use also acetate here to place this tiny star to create like a falling stars, something like that, an effect. And I make another book here to place more photos. Let me show you close. And you can use photo in the top and on the back here, and another book. Once you close this, I let here the paper again. You can add the photos that you want, and on the back I add a lace pocket, and I made 3 cards. All are similar in this way to put more photos or journal. A lot of things that you can do. And once you close, it is the album again with a lot of physical dimension and layers. Well, my friend, I hope that you like it. I have a lot of fun creating this. Here are some of the photos, and I'm going to let you more. You can check Dress My Craft blog, that you will find more inspirations that the TT made using this collection. And I'm going to let you also my blog and my social media, so you can go and take a closer look at all of the details that I made in this album. Let me know what was your favorite page in a comment down below, and I'm going to let you I hope that you enjoy, and I'm going to let you 2 more videos that maybe you are interested here, and I come back soon with a new video tutorial. Nos vemos, bye bye.